welcome back to On the Frets. Today we're going to continue with our series on the sus chords, and today we are going to take a look at the G sus chord. So let's get in here and check it out. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the G major chord, and we're going to lift up our index finger and we're going to place it on the 2nd fret of the G string. And now you've got your G sus 2. Now we're going to pick up our index and ring finger, place the index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you've got your G sus 4. So let's again real quick, here's your G sus 2, G sus 4, and back to your G major. Alright guys, there you have it, the G sus chord, and if you need any more information on that, be sure to check down below in the description. And with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. We'll see you next time.